Okay, so welcome back students. So now we will today study application of derivative to find the slope of tangents and normal to a curve. How to use application, how to use derivatives. Derivatives means differentiation to find the slope and thus to find equation. When we find the slope, we can easily find the equation of tangents and normal to a curve. Before this, in differentiation, we have studied that differentiation means what? So if we draw a curve, like this, okay? And this is the point at which if we draw a tangent, tangent means which touches the curve at only one point, the line which touches the curve at only one point. And in differentiation, we have proved that the differentiation at this point A means x equals to A, and as it is on x-axis, so we are taking A comma 0. And if this is the equation of the curve y equals to fx, if the equation of curve is y equals to fx, so at x equals to A, the value of y will be A, fa. So for x equals to A, the value of y will be fa. So this point will be 0, fa. And this point, which is the point of contact, has the coordinates A, fa. And the slope of tangent is given by differentiation of y equals to fx. So the slope of tangent at x equals to A, at the point x equals to A means point A comma fa. Look at this, coordinate of this point is A comma fa, but we call it x equals to A, is given by dy by dx at x equals to A. And we represent the slope by which letter? M. So slope of tangent is given by, always remember, slope of tangent is given by dy by dx at x equals to A, or we can also say that sometimes dy by dx is in terms of x and y both. So we call A comma fa. So this is the slope of tangent at A comma fa. We can also say slope of tangent at x equals to A, or we can also say slope of tangent at A comma fa, where A comma fa is what? A comma fa is the point of contact. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Point of contact is equal to A comma fa. Now, equation of line. Do you know the equation of line? If its slope is given and one of the point is given. Equation of line in, we call it as slope point form. If slope is given and one of the point is given. What is the equation of line? In equation of line in slope point form. So we have to use a point. If this point is x1 comma y1, we can say y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Now slope of the line we know that is given by dy by dx at a comma fa. In place of a comma fa, if we write x1 comma y1, as if a comma fa is the point of contact, we can assume it to be x1 comma y1 also, means x1 equals to a, y1 equals to fa. So slope of tangent, what will be the slope of tangent then? We know that slope of tangent is given by dy by dx at x1 comma y1. If we name this a comma fa as x1 comma y1, so equation of tangent will be equation of tangent at x1 comma y1, means where x1 comma y1 is what? x1 comma y1 is the point of contact. dy by dx at point of contact into x minus x1. So this is how we can find the equation of tangent, and this is how we can find the equation slope of the tangent or slope of the tangent. Both are the same. In place of a comma fa, we can also write x1 comma y1. We have taken the value of x1 as a and y1, which is at x1, is fa. When y equals to fx is the equation of the curve. So equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 equals to dy by dx at x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. So first of all, write this theory. So whenever it is written that slope of tangent at x1 comma y1, means this x1 comma y1 is the point of contact. Always remember, at x1 comma y1 means x1 comma y1 is the point of contact, means the point where this tangent is touching the curve, like this, point P, a comma fa, or we can also write x1 comma y1 is the point of contact. So let's now discuss some questions from this topic. Remember, gradient and slope are the same things. So don't be confused if gradient is written in place of slope. Gradient equals to slope. Gradient of tangent or the slope of tangent are the same things. Okay. So find the gradient of tangents to the curve y equals to 3x square minus 5x plus 4 at the point 1 comma 2. Now we know that formula for slope of tangent is what? It is dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Now y equals to the equation of curve fx, which we have named in our theory is 3x square minus 5x plus 4. And point of contact, at means it is the point of contact. x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 2. Now first of all, find the dy by dx. So differentiation of 3x square is 6x. Differentiation of 5x is 5 into 1. Differentiation of 4 is 0. And this is at x1 comma y1, means at 1 comma 2. means value of x is taken as 1, though it doesn't contain y. So if it contains y, then we write and use 2 also. So this time we have to use only x equals to 1. 6 into 1 minus 5, that is 6 minus 5 equals to 1. So slope of tangent is equal to 1. Gradient of tangent is equal to 1. Similarly, you can solve question number 2 also. Similarly, we can solve question number 2 to find that gradient slope is dy by dx. Find the differentiation 6x square minus 10x minus 3 and add the point 1, 2. So substitute the value of x as 1. 6 into 1 square minus 10 into 1 minus 3. 6 minus 10 minus 3. 6 minus 13, it is minus 7. So the slope is minus 7 if it is 1, 3. In this we have to find that x equals to 0. Okay, okay. So if it is 1, it is at x equals to 0. Then how to solve it? In question 2, we have to find the gradient at x equals to 0. So we use x equals to 0 only. So 6 into 0 minus 10 into 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. So the slope is minus 3. In question number 3, the curve y equals to ax plus bx square passes through the point 2, 0. Okay. So the equation of the curve is y equals to ax square plus bx. Ax plus bx square it is. And it is passing to the point 2, 0. Okay. So if it is passing to the point 2, 0, means this 2, 0 will satisfy the equation of this curve. This curve is passing through 2, 0. So putting x equals to 2 and y equals to 0, 0 will be a into 2 plus b into 2 square. That is 0 equals to 2a plus 4b divided by 2. So we get one of the equation as a plus 2b equals to 0. Write it as equation number 1. Now how to find the second equation for this? We will write further. Gradient of its tangent at the point is minus 1, means at this point. So what will be the formula for the gradient? We all know that gradient means slope. So gradient means slope at the point. Which point? At 2, 0 is given by dy by dx at 2, 0. Why? Now you will ask why we are finding it when it is already given as minus 1. This is to make the second equation in terms of a and b. Then we will solve them simultaneously. Slope at 2, 0 is given as minus 1. So in place of slope at 2, 0, we write it minus 1 as it is already given. So in place of slope at 2, 0, we write minus 1. Or to avoid confusion, you can write the full statement. Gradient at 2, 0. Minus 1 equals to dy by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x is a plus 2bx. Differentiation of ax plus bx square is at 2, 0. Now find the differentiation. Differentiation of ax is a. Differentiation of bx square is 2bx. And this is at 2, 0. So use value of x equals to 2. So it is a plus 2b into 2. That is a plus 4b equals to minus 1. It implies a plus 4b equals to minus 1, which is equation number 2. And first equation is a plus 2b equals to 0. So if we subtract the first equation from this, a will be cancelled out, 4b minus 2b, 2b equals to minus 1, that is b equals to minus half. And a plus 2b equals to 0, so a equals to minus 2b. So it is minus 2 into minus half, that is 1. So the answer is a equals to 1, b equals to minus half. So there are several questions in this sheet. To understand the concept of tangents, in this find the points on the curve at which the gradient is 0. Question number 4. So how to find the point on the curve y equals to 27x minus x cube at which the gradient is 0. For this, first we find the gradient. Assuming that, let the point be x1 comma y1. Let the point of contact actually we have to find. x1 comma y1. Point on the curve y equals to 27x minus x cube at which the gradient is, what is the gradient? Gradient is 0. Gradient means slope. Slope is 0. And we have to find this point x1 comma y1. Okay. So how to find this? First differentiate this. dy by dx equals to 27x, differentiation is 27. Differentiation of x cube is 3x squared. So slope is dy by dx at point of contact, which is x1 comma y1. And one of the slope is already given, it is 0. So we write 0 equals to 27 minus 3. Value of x is x1, 3x1 square. It implies 3x1 square equals to 27. It implies x1 square equals to 9. It implies x1 equals to plus minus 3. So two cases do arise. Case 1, when x equals to 3, we are getting y1. In place of y, we will write y1 as we have assumed that the point of contact is x1 comma y1. So it will satisfy the equation of curve also, as point of contact always lies on the curve. So y1 equals to 27x1 minus x1 cube, that is 27 into 3 minus 3 cube. So 81 minus 27, that is 54. So the point of contact is 3 comma 54, at which the gradient is 0. Next point is obtained when we use case 2, when x1 equals to minus 3. We have calculated that x1 is either plus 3 or minus 3. So y1 equals to again 27 x1 minus x1 cube, that is 27 into minus 3 minus 3 whole cube. So minus 81 plus 27, that is minus 54. So the point of contact is minus 3 comma minus 54. So there are 2 points of contact at which the slope of the tangent is 0. They are the different tangents. Okay. Similarly, we can solve the other questions related to the tangents also. So solve them and ask your doubts in comment box. Now look at the question number 11. Find the equation of tangent to the following curve at the point given y equals to 4x cubed square plus 2, we have to find the equation of tangent at 1 comma 6. So first of all, what we have to find? The slope only. How to find the slope? Slope is dy by dx at the given point, means 1 comma 6. So what is the differentiation of this 4x square plus 2? We know that it is 8x at 1 comma 6. It contains only x, so use the value of x only. So the slope is 8. Is that clear to you? The slope is 8. Now find the equation of the curve y minus y1 equals to, this is the equation of tangent. So to find the equation of tangent, we have to find the equation of tangent. We use the slope point form, that is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. It implies y minus y1 is 6 equals to m is 8, slope is 8 into x minus 1. That is y minus 6 equals to 8x minus 8. Transfer them to the same side. Y minus 6 towards the x will be better than 8x minus y minus 8 plus 6 equals to 0. So the final answer is 8x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Hope you all must have understood how to find the equation of tangent to the curve at the given point. First we find the differentiation and then find the value of that differentiation at 1 comma 6. That will be the slope of the tangent. After finding the slope of tangent, like we have calculated in this question, y equals to 4x square plus 2, its differentiation is 8x. So slope will be 8x at x equals to 1 comma 6, that is 8 ones are 8. Then we find the equation of the tangent by using the form slope point form. Point is point of contact x1 comma y1, which is 1 comma 6. Slope we have calculated 8. The equation is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That is y minus 6 equals to 8 into x minus 1. And on simplifying, it is giving the value 8x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Hope you all must have understood this. So continue to solve the next question. Question number 11b, and ask if you have any doubt.